Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about the product reference price in Odoo 17 website. In Odoo, the product reference price refers to the price displayed per unit of measure on the product page of your website. This helps the customers to understand the cost of a product relative to its quantity. So to manage with the product reference price, you just need to ensure that you have enabled the units of measurement. So then only we can just manage with different units while selling and purchasing the item. Now let's get into the website module, because here we are just going to manage with the product millet. And before that, we just need to enable this feature from the configuration settings, so that you can just go to the configuration settings and let's drag down here. You can find the product reference price. So this add a reference price per UIM on the product, that is in kilogram, in addition to the sales price. So we know a product like flour, millets, or the product that are having the units of measurements in grams and kilograms will having a sales price. But the customer just need to know the price in grams. So by setting the product reference price, we can easily know the price of the price of the product in gram. So here we have enabled that, and let me move on to the e-commerce, and let's choose a product which is the millet. And here you would be able to find all the published product in the website. So here you can find the millets, and it has got 100 kg in our stock, which has a sales price of 100 and a cost of 80. And here you can see that as we have just enabled the feature product reference price in the configuration settings, we have just got additional field called base unit count. So from this we can understand that this also shows the price for grams. So here we know for 1 kg the sales price will be 100, and for 100 gram it will be 10. So in order to calculate that, we have to set the base unit count. So we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So the base unit count is 1000 gram. So for every 100 gram, it will cost $10. So we can set likewise, and let's move on to the website. And here you would be able to find the price also. So here you can see 1 kg cost $100, and for 100 grams, it costs just $10. And we can just add the item into our cart, and let's view the cart and proceed to checkout. So here we can just pay with demo, or we can just directly move on with the checkout process. So let me go with the checkout process, and here you can choose the payment method, and let's pay now. So after having the processing payment, here you can see that your payment has been successfully processed. So this is how we manage with the product reference price in Odoo 17 website. So I hope this video clarifies your doubt on product reference price. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.